armed maniac only policy. No time to rest now. It looks like the police need my help. This is too easy. I need to figure out what's behind this gang war. Let's see what those doofuses were so excited about. Whoa! Whatever that thing is, it looks like trouble. I need to watch.
You're approaching Oscorp property. Stand down immediately.
What? No hello? No please? Back in my day, flying robots had some basic manners. Must be National Steal from Oscorp Day. Something tells me this isn't Fruit Punch. Ooh, I wonder what new comics come out this week. It seems like the forces of evil are feeling extra annoying today. I better check the city to see what other crimes I can shut down.
Keep an...
Don't you guys ever get tired of this?
Pathetic.
Oh, come on. Why you gotta be like that?
You think you're...
Uh-oh. I have to shut it down before it hurts anyone. Another generator. This one looks like it's still got energy. Oh wow, company! Just stay down and I'll stop punching. This is definitely more than a utilities problem. I need to figure out why this is happening and who's behind it. Rest now.
Hey, Spider-Man! A little help over here?
I need to watch this costume.
Spider-Man, help me, please. Somebody somehow electrocuted me from behind. Never saw who.
He was... Hold on, officer.
I don't feel good. What was that thing? How are you gonna stop it? I think he's too much of a match for us. We need you on this. Please hurry. Spider-Man, you saved my life. I owe you.
Spider-Man! Oh, wow. Come here! Please? Pretty please? Hey, Spidey. Would you mind signing something for me?
Sure. Psych! I'm just gonna put Spider-Man.
You really are a hero.
What are these? What's happening?
Did you guys learn your moves from playing video games? That was fun, but I need more of a challenge. Stand back, everyone. It looks like it's going to blow.
That bullet is just a small taste of the hatred I have for you!
Nice! Only one more. I've got to hurry.
That bullet is just a small taste of the hatred I have for you!
That's all. I'll bet the blue mystery man is behind this. I can't hide anymore.
Help! I'm trapped!
Take it off, Spidey. This is getting pretty rough. Hey, it's this sort of thing.
Please help me. Oh, Spidey, thank you so much.
Spider-Man!
Hey, buddy. I don't mean to come across as a stick in the mud, but if you could cut the light show, I'm sure all the neighbors would really appreciate it.
Just the person I've been waiting for! Now I can properly thank you for what you did to me!
I don't know how I did anything to you, considering that I'm sure we've never met. I have an excellent memory for faces, especially ones of the glowing blue variety.
Keep making jokes, Spider-Man. We'll see how funny you are. You lying in the wreckage of the city! What does a fried spider smell like? Not bad, Spider-Man. But let's see if you can be faster than lightning!
I need to fix... much at stake for me to take a break now. Hold on, what's Oscorp doing here?
NYPD doesn't have the hardware to hold this guy, so they called us.
You're too busy playing a hero to worry about collateral damage. The chemicals you lose when you crash trucks, or the poor saps who find them.
We'll take it from here, Spider-Man.